Hey guys, RJ here. So for today, I want to help you guys out with an issue you might be facing for CS2. So this issue usually happens when you try to boot a game or connect into a match, and this error shows up, unable to establish a connection with the game server. So usually this happens is there might be problems with your DNS or something is blocked with your connection. So first off, what you would want to do is make sure that your Counter-Strike is not booted up, of course. Go to your settings, click on view network connections, or just search network. It should open up something like this. Just go to your connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or your Ethernet cable. Right click on it. Go to your IPv4 and follow these settings here. So use the following DNS servers. So just click on 8.8.8.8 for the preferred, and alternate should be 8.8.4.4. Alright, so after that, don't boot your Counter-Strike yet, but go to your search again, click on command prompt, and then run it as administrator. Alright, so once you are here, just type ipconfig slash flush DNS. So this pretty much will flush and reset your DNS cache. Once that is done, click on ipconfig slash renew. This will renew your settings for the DNS, of course. And then finally, just type net sh space winsock space reset. Alright, and you should see this successfully reset, and you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So just exit that and then just restart your computer. Alright, that is pretty much it for the fix, and I hope that helps. Have a good day ahead.